Hello friends, my name is Narendra Singh Shekhawat and in this video I will tell you how can you earn money with the help of your Android phone. Okay, might be possible that you will think that I will say that you need to install n number of application or you need to give feedback on n number of Android application on your phone. That's totally false. It's very easy and with the help of this method you will get money directly into your Gmail account. So for this what you need to do, you need to download and install an application that name is Google Reward is application that has been given by Google itself and it's legitimate. Like you can see, it's Google Opinion Reward Google LLC. I already installed it. Okay, you need to install this with your Gmail application, and as it's already installed, that's why it is saying open and install. I'm opening it. As soon as you will click on open, okay, let me show you home page of this screen how this will see. Okay, now this is my home screen and here it's Google Reward. So I'm clicking on Google Reward and here it is saying about that I have already 137.50 Google credit that I can use on purchasing different kind of games, different kind of music or movie from Play Store. Okay, so like here you are seeing that there's new survey available. Let me see, and this survey will expire in 24 hours. So I have this survey will expire in next 2 hours 52 minutes. So let's complete this survey and let's see how much money I will earn with this survey. So this survey is saying that which method of generating residence electricity are you familiar with? I know about gas, I know about oil, coal, solar, and then I click on next. Do you use electricity by coal? The primary reason? No. I click on next. Okay, that's it, and I will get 4.58 rupees into my Google account, Google Play account. Okay, you can see previously it was 137 but now it's 142. And how can I use it? You can see it's saying spend your play credit. What you have to do, you need to just click on it. As soon as you will click on it, it will show you, it will go through on Google Play Store and you can download or purchase any application from Play Store. Okay, so this is one of the best application from where you can earn money and you need not to install any other application. You need to give answer of 1 or 2 question. As soon as you will give the answer, your account will be credited right now in your account. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.